Um, Hello guys, today is our second video for Python tutorial. I hope you watch my previous video where I talk about some basic thing in Python. So I directly go to my folder and day 2. Okay. I hope you saw the last video and you know how to give a comment. Okay. Today at first we're gonna learn about the Sep function, separate function. Separate function is used to add specific thing at the specific place. Okay, I will show how to do this. So I write the print function. Hello world. Hello world. Now you know that comma represent plus in Python. Okay, now I write the function. Separate what? Like hey. Okay, so to use this we have to give here a double quotation, and now here you give a comma. You have to give a comma to use the separate function. Wherever you give the comma, it would print the hey. Okay, let's see. Hello hey world. Okay, this is how you use the separate function. This is too easy. The next thing I want to talk about is the range function. What is the range function? Range function, it works like its name. Range from 1 to 10, okay? Like R-A-N-G, range of 1 to 10. To understand it more um, comfortably, we write the for loop. I will talk about for loop later. Okay. X. So now for x in range 10 to 1 to 10, print x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. I told Python to print up to 10. Python to what? Python just minus it. Python took the range, the last range, 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. It would print 1 to 9. Okay, you have to know this. For why, every time you use a for loop, it should be variable. It doesn't matter that it variable is not defined or not. Okay, I will show you how to write Python code like one. The term to term rule of the sequence would be plus 2. Okay, 1 to 10, and we give another comma and just 2. 1 comma 10 is a range, and another comma and the value you give um, would be the what would be the term to term rule, like the if you don't give anything with 2, it would be just what, just add. It would just add if you don't give any special symbol with it. I will show you all the special symbol. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 2, 9 plus. Okay, this is how you use like term to term rule for adding. j in range 10 to 1 to it. This time you have to give minus 2 for the decrement order. Okay, your 10 minus 2 8 minus 2 6 minus 6 minus 2 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, this is how the decrement order you can write. So now I will talk about variable. Variable. What is variable? Variable is a container that contain a value like x. Okay, x is already used. Let's use v. V variable. Now you have to give one. The v variable contain the value one. Anything you can give string, but you have to remember that the string must be written inside a double quotation. I'm writing my name. Okay. So when you are writing a when you want to write the print the value of the variable, you don't have to write the v inside the variable name inside the double quotation. Okay, it should print my name Shorgo. Okay, easy. This is how you can do it. Now one thing that a variable had some specific rule, like a variable cannot start with a number. Okay, x2 would not be count as a variable. You can give numeric number, but after after the like what can I say what can I say x2 like this you can give like 1. It doesn't matter, but if you give a number at the first, it would create problems. Okay, I'm not printing because you know what. And there you can write x hyphen no, sorry underscore 2. Okay, this is the thing, a letter underscore and a numeric value. This is a variable rule. Okay. Okay, now I want to talk what I think. Oh, sorry. Print is written in the wrong way. Print function. Okay, sorry. Forgive me. Yeah, 1 1. This both contain 1. Okay. Now I want to show you another thing in variable. You can contain variable like a lex v. There is a name v variable name. So I give f g h equals to 1 2 3. Okay, now print f. So what would be it? F is the first one and this is the first one. This is how it works. F is this, G is this, and H is 3. Okay. Okay, this is how you can write multiple variable at the same time and write multiple values at the same time. Okay, so at the end of the lecture I want to show you the use of backslash. Backslash is used to modify the text, like print hello world, WORLD, hello world. Okay, now let's see. Hello new line and world. This space is the space here is this space. Okay. Mm, okay, there is another backslash name tab hello the world. Okay, hello one space, two space, three space, four space. Um. Okay, this is how it works. This space, okay, one space, three space, two. Okay, total four space. Okay, this is how tab works. Backslashes work. This two is the one of the most used backslash. There is many more. I will talk about it later on. So the next I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do in the next class. Next class I will talk about the use of variables. Okay. So this is all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Codeflex and like our channel. Okay? Thank you.